Hello everyone, this is the lamps. I will open one just for you from very beginning as I did on my previous video. This is the box. This is how it comes. Instructions, which just briefly describes what you get and what it is. On the side, two parts of the cord, Australian plug. Yep, on the side, lamps comes in like a plastic, very soft case. Oh, this is white lamp and the bottom of it. So remove box aside. This is second half. Plugs into the light. Here we are. And from the cord it plugs in here, which is converts, I believe, right voltage. AC DC adapter. There you go. Lamp itself, let me just move that. Everything is always on the floor. Lamp itself, this is plastic. White pearly color. We have here 30, 60, 90 and 120 seconds timer. This is where it gets plugged in. There's a clear plastic over it, you can pull it out. We have removable bottom, which I believe has a plastic whitish, which you would have to pull it off to actually have like that mirror effect surface, so it reflects. So that's all the bottom part. There is magnets on actual light. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that's legs. This is fan, which makes a little bit of noise as it cooling down insides. So this way you obviously can place it on the top of the foot to do a pedicures. And magnets are, I don't know if you can tell, but they're actually quite strong. So I'm sort of positioning it over to fit right there, and it's nice and smooth. Okay, top of it, there. So there's the lamp. One more time. We have 1, 2, 3 CCFL globes, and we have 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12 LED globes, which as on the top covers wide angle of the nail surface slightly on the sides, as well as LED don't just come out on the sides, it hits from the top as well. So I found very comfortable, and just to ensure maximum cure. All these magnets are quite strong. I will plug it in a minute and I will continue. Okay, here we are plugged in. I'll unplug it. So there's a light. You plug it in, light goes all on and off. Then we can set the timer 30, 60, 90 or 120. Light moves there and we're ready to go. As we turn, put hand in, timer comes on. I turn around while it's going. Here we have a little bit of air coming out from the fan as it's cooling down. I probably should have put feather, but believe me, there is a little bit of cool air coming from this fan. And you can see 3 lights, and this surface is still with that film, so it's not mirror surface. To override this light, we can manually turn it off. Then I will need my, say, gel polish. I will press 30 seconds again. I'll put my hand in. Where are we? There. So hand in, on. Now this sensor doesn't go off, light doesn't go off with the sensor as the hands comes out, which some more people might like, some might not. I like it because for one reason, if for example I'm doing, say, my tips, my samples and whatever I need to do, I don't have to constantly block it. Once it's on, a little tip, whatever that is there, it doesn't, as a hand comes out, it's, as a tip, sometimes very low, so it's keep going a full timer, if it makes sense. But you can override by pressing that button again and light goes off. It is recommended not to leave light on all day long, only when you use it, but I do not believe it is a big drama. On my table, light obviously always sit on the side, and it never get plugged in for all day, only as I use it. And you can also put it away. So CCFL and LED is on at the same time. You cannot turn either on its own. It's always on together, but with 30,000 hours of work, I think they worked it out, 8 hours a day, it will last you something around 40 years, which is a bit more than average career time. So once you get this, you don't need to do anything with it, change globes or anything. I found around the surface is comfortable for the client to sit and rest on it, and I do believe it's big enough. One hand, if you need to put 2 hands in, you can. My hand's not very big, but one hand, 5 of them, out, left hand in, out. If you need to cure both hands, you can. There you go. And we override. I hope you like it. We have black, which I'll show you in a second, but majority of them in my stock is white color. It's a white pearly color. Thank you. They are available from Olga NM business page on a Facebook. Thank you.